What up guys, today we are here with another DIY video. So my plan for today is to integrate a dynamic turn signals in 20 years old Volvo. I found those cheap LED strip lights in one website. I'm gonna put the link in the description. First of all, I've disassembled the headlights, a little bit of cleaning, and now I'm gonna open them. Actually, those are not like most of the headlights, because here, if you remove a couple of clamps, the glass is gonna fall. There is no glue or anything. And here are the lights. They're with special controllers who controls the light flow. And I'm gonna put them like this. Now I'm gonna try to test them with the 20-volt power supply. And I think it looks nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Now you have the unique opportunity to subscribe to Touring Car Show channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, and the most important, tell us what you think in the comment section.
So, a little bit of soldering right here. Those exact lights are with 3 different wires. There are 2 plus and 1 minus wire. The minus wire is the ground, and the 2 pluses are for the daylight and the turn signal. After that, I'm gonna put a little hole on the downside of the headlight. This will be the hole for the turn signal wire. I'm gonna isolate the hole with the glue gun to be sure there is not gonna be any moisture inside. And it's gonna look like this. After that, I'm gonna repeat the same procedure with the second headlight. And unfortunately, when I've opened the turn signal, the light bulb looks like this. And probably this is the stock one. It's 20 years old. So I found a new one. After that, because I've opened the turn signals, I'm gonna need to glue them up. I found a cheap solution, this one, which is window shield and glass sealer, but basically it's just a silicone glue. The box says that it's gonna be dry after 1 hour and completely dry after 24 hours. So I guess 1 hour is enough. Now I'm I'm gonna put everything inside the car because I'm curious what will be the result. And this is it. And I think it's not bad. And before you judge me too quickly, I wanna tell you that this is just for the experiment because I've already ordered an aftermarket headlights. But actually I think it looks good. It's not bad at all. So if you like my project, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel. And thanks for watching.